118.35, I think the announcer's going to call you. 247 back to left. Thanks for help.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Now let's go to the captain of the Goodyear Blimp, a great surprise, November 3 Alpha. Captain, welcome to the Cleveland Airshow. Thank you for being here. The radio is all yours and our spectators are listening.
System on the ship here.
Let's try that again. Captain, you're on the screen and the crowd is listening. You have the radios. Welcome to the Cleveland National Airshow.
Wingfoot Three, glad to show off our newest airship in the fleet here. We're going to be showing a few maneuvers here. We're called Goodyear Overshow Center. We're going to give you a quick bow, and then we're going to pitch up to 30 degrees, and we'll wave at you shortly. Coming at it, we actually had thrust on the forward engine, and we started to pitch up here to about 30 degrees. Nose up.
Goodyear 6588, reposition to Alpha is approved, and you'll be up next.
You'll be staying by. Thank you. Well, this is possible. The thrust vectoring system on the aft engine there moves us around just like a valve thruster on a boat. That's on the stern of our ship here. We're going to stabilize here. We'll give you a quick wave. And that's by just varying the thrust between the two forward engines. And we're going to demonstrate our touch and go abilities with this ship. We can take off and land just like a helicopter with this airship. Land the ship almost right on the dime. We're going to touch down, we're going to start a climb out, and on the climb we'll do a 360 degree turn point. As we finish this spin here, we're going to pitch up and climb out and depart to the south. You guys have a great Labor Day weekend.
We Thank you, Captain. It's been a great show. And folks on the ground, let's show our love up to the crew of the Goodyear Blimp. Wave like crazy, if you will, with your hats in your hands. And Captain, look down and see the enthusiasm. We love Goodyear.
See y'all down there waving. You guys have a great weekend.
Thank you, Captain.
3 Alpha Boss is up. Thank you very much for the show. Great job. That was a nice surprise. We kept it pretty much a secret all day here. So you're on course southbound. I won't have anybody to bother you till you're outside the Delta. And whenever you need to change frequencies, that's approved. Thanks a lot, Adam.
Aviation tires are the only general aviation tire that has 30% Kevlar in its construction.
And Coast Guard 6588 with takeoff. Wind 280 at 4.
On your airplane.
Field is yours.
You'll find out the facts. You'll find out.
Here, boss. Airship 3 Alpha departing southbound. Airship 3, thanks a lot. I appreciate the show. Great job. Nobody knew you were coming. We kept it pretty much a secret here. Thanks a lot. Proceed on course, and you're cleared out of the CFR. You can change frequency anytime.